Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Bernadette Lacsamana of Carista Mortgage, and joining me today is our VIP Realtor partner, JP Villanueva. JP and I have been working with a few clients. Hi JP, you want to say hi to our people out there?
Hi everyone! Ako po si JP Villanueva, ang inyong Pinoy Realtor. Based po ako dito sa Lower Mainland, Vancouver. At magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Okay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga nanonood ngayon. Kung may tanong po kayo, nandito po si Tita Bernadette Lacsamana to help you with any mortgage needs. And if ever man, in regards to real estate, ako po ang inyong Pinoy Realtor. Happy to help.
Awesome. Speaking of helping JP, there's a new rule that's coming up. It's going to be effective December 15, and it's an awesome news, especially sa ating mga first-time home buyer clients. Why don't you share what is this big news about?
Thank you po. Thank you. Napaka-exciting news talaga from Government of Canada. Actually, gumawa po ako ng example na illustration para po ma-explain sa ating mga kababayan kung anong ibig sabihin nitong big changes na to. Okay? So ito po ay example lang. At the end of the day, ang importante po sa ating lahat, siyempre, kung magkano ang magiging ating monthly payments now as compared to magiging monthly payments kapag ka nag-take effect na tong new rules na to. Okay? Ang new rules na to, ang ginawa po ng Government of Canada ay in-extend nila ang amortization period from 25 years to 30 years. Ang ibig sabihin lang po nito, very simple. Okay? Dati po kasi, ang payments ng ang payments natin naabot ng 25 years only. Which means, kung 25 years po, ang ating magiging amortization period, yun po yung haba ng years para mabayaran ng ating mortgage, is approximately 27, 24. Kung ang magiging term natin, 5 years, interest rate 4.5, for down payment of 5%, which is 25,000, and if we buy a property of 500,000. Ngayon po, sa December 15, 2024, kung in-increase na po nila, in-extend from 25 years to 30 years, ang magiging monthly payment na lang po natin is $2,481, meaning makakasave po tayo ng approximately $243. So kung i-multiply po natin yan in 12 months in a year, times 5 years, kasi po either you're on fixed or variable, or actually or fixed for a certain number of years, then our approximate savings is 14,580. Okay, very example lang po ito. Siyempre, every client has a different mortgage, different interest rate and stuff, but at least meron po tayong an idea kung ano yung impact nito sa mga future buyers natin.
Ayan. So thank you, JP, for illustrating that. So one great effect para po sa inyong bumibili, yung monthly nyo bababa for up to that much, 240 per month for a $500,000 na purchase price. The other
Mhm.
benefit po sa inyong mga buyers out there, yung buying power nyo, yung pre-approval nyo tataas. We just had a client. Ang pre-approval po is 520. After December 15, their pre-approval is going up to 560,000. So instead of a 520,000 house, they can buy a 560,000 house. That's a $40,000 increase. JP,
Yes.
does 40,000 mean is it a big deal sa bahay? Kung ang
Yes,
bahay
yes,
is
yes.
40. Hmm.
Tama po, tama po. So, in the event na you still want to, let's say for example, you can afford to pay $2,724 a month, which means kung hindi natin iti-take advantage na magbayad ng less payment, you can still pay the 2,724 but a higher mortgage or purchase amount. So yun po
Right.
yun. So in the event na kuwari, for example, ang approve lang sa atin 500,000 dahil sa new rules na to na magiging 30 years na siya, that 500 can be 540,000. Okay, so
Yan.
you can buy a better property for that. Siyempre, mas maganda po yung budget
Yeah.
natin.
It could be additional bedroom, it could be bigger square footage, it could be a better location. So that's a really great effect. dito sa new mortgage rules. And if you want to know more how it's going to be impacting you, reach out to JP, reach out to us here at Carista. Now,
Salamat.
yeah, so the other thing, JP, what's happening in the market out there? Can you share with the viewers, anong nangyayari? What are you seeing in the
Yes,
market?
definitely. So at this point, marami pa ring active na buyers that is looking for a property. Siyempre po, continuous pa rin ang pag-serve natin sa mga clients na nag-upgrade and mga clients na naghahanap ng property. At the end of the day, our goal siyempre is to get away from renting. Our goal is to own our own property para meron tayong sariling investment. So, continuous pa rin po ang mga property helping more families to get their own property and other families that are upgrading from a smaller home to a bigger home at this point while the rate is continuously coming down. So, advantage po yan sa mga lahat ng mga clients that is looking to buy and upgrade.
Okay, so speaking of mga clients na continuous na natutulungan natin, JP, can we share with us a story sa recent client na grateful ka at natulungan at paano mo sila natulungan?
Of course, maraming salamat po, Tito Bernadette. Definitely, with your help, we managed to get them approved at a higher amount with very, very small or less interest rate. So, happy po sila ngayon. And this was the time where they don't know the process of even buying a house.
First
So
time home buyer
basically,
sila, di ba, JP?
first time home buyer po sila. Yes,
Yes.
yes, first time home buyer po sila. And they don't have an idea of even the process of what to do and what documents especially to collect. So after natin silang makausap, malaman natin ang kanilang mga financial documents and financial information, doon na po sila nagkaroon ng idea kung ano yung qualification nila na para pumili ng property. Siyempre, we're here to guide them and give them as much information as they can para kapag ready na sila, doon natin sila tutulungan na bumili ng property. So, ngayon, they finally move into their new house. They're not renting anymore. Right? They're very happy with their own place. Siyempre, excited po sila. Nagtitingin sila ng mga gamit. And I'm very, very proud and happy to know na may mga clients sila or friends and family na pinapakilala po nila sa atin para mas matulungan pa po natin sila. So yun lang po, isa sa mga story na nangyari recently.
Okay, that's good. So, first-time home buyer, natulungan natin. They didn't know what to do. They were more than happy. They allowed us to help them. And so, every step of the process, nandun tayo. Pareho.
Yes.
And now, they're proud homeowners and they're referring their friends and family. So, thank you, JP.
You're welcome
And
po.
so, for any questions, kung kayo first-time home buyer, upgrade, or you're thinking of selling, any real estate questions, please reach out to JP. JP, do you want to say any closing remarks to our viewers out there?
Of course. So sa lahat po ulit ng mga kababayan natin, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. So kung if ever man po may mga questions kayo in regards to real estate, mortgage questions, nandiyan po ang Carista Mortgage. And I'm happy to help. Ako po ang inyong pinag-realtor na si JP Villanueva.
Okay, ako po si Bernadette Lacsamana, President and Mortgage Broker dito po sa Carista Mortgage. Any money, mortgage financing needs, please reach out to us. Enjoy the rest of your day and thanks for watching.
Thank you po.